Hey, Dave here, Rusty Reds. Hey, just wanted to start putting my face out there. Finally feeling confident. We have gotten to a point nowadays where we just try to throw things away. It breaks, throw it away. Why? Stop doing that. Stop throwing things away. It is not that hard in most cases to fix things. Grab a screwdriver, grab a socket, wrench, whatever it takes, take it apart, take a look at it. What's the worst that can happen? You throw it away anyways? You'd be shocked at what you think you can and can't do, but when it comes down to it, guess what? Most of the time you can. It's that simple. So, like and subscribe. I'm going to do my best to try and keep bringing some content, try and promote just people repairing things, getting back to the easy things in life and go from there. So, if you want to see further content, like and subscribe, and I will do my best to bring it to you guys as often as possible. Thank you.